What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. Just put up these one boxers not too long ago. 2017-18 Upper Deck Splendor Hockey one box break, 2 random teams, number 13. This is from a fresh case. Dude bought it out, so this is going to be a little personal for him. So still going to number the boxes, but just like I did in the last break, I know it's a pretty expensive box price. So I'm just going to number the boxes again, but I will allow him to choose his own box. So good luck. Here's the case. Let's open this up. Alright, man. Let me just quickly number these, but let me know what number you'd like. One through 12. 7? Alright, 7 would be right up there. Right here, lucky number 7. Alright, man. Alright then, let's rip this open. Good luck. No need to randomize the list of names. Oh, lucky number 7. This is bad for you? Why I say that? Oh, I didn't even open it up yet. But it's just such a beautiful product, that's what you mean. Alrighty, and behind this box we have a Chicago Blackhawks Duncan Keith, 6 of 12. Nice 3 color in there, and the ink, kind of a thicker card too, although kind of a little loose, but there you go, man. Yeah, Blackhawks also, guys. If you guys are thinking Blackhawks, they're still available. Get some Blackhawks mojo in the pick your team. You hit one of these for the Blackhawks price, that pretty much probably pays for the spot. And then you never know, you may get some more. A lot of the bigger teams in the pick your team I know are pricier, but their checklist is extremely loaded, so they tend to hit more often than not. Which you never know, for the box price, you may get 2-3 hits for the price of just the Blackhawks at what $174.99. So there you go, man. That was the break. I'll post another one boxer in the store if you guys want to get the next one going. Kingsley Breaks. We'll see you.